Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate AT&T International Day Pass on your number. Just follow these simple steps so you can use your phone for calls, texts and data while traveling abroad without any issues. First, open your browser and go to the official AT&T website at att.com. Make sure you're logged into your AT&T account so you can manage your services properly. Once you're on the home page, scroll up and click on Support. Then select Get Internet Help and scroll all the way down until you see the Contact Us section. You'll see two ways to reach AT&T directly. Chat with a representative, call AT&T support. You can choose either option. If you select Chat with a rep, you'll be connected to a live support agent. Just tell them that you want to activate International Day Pass on your number. If you choose, give us a call, a phone number will appear. Dial that number and speak directly to a representative to request activation. And that's it. Once AT&T confirms the activation, your International Day Pass will be ready to use when you arrive at your destination.